Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Best Online Deals. Now you will see another selection of amazing products. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell. Number 7. Dyson V7 Animal Cord-Free Vacuum. The Dyson V7 Animal Cord-Free Vacuum is engineered for all floor types. The direct drive cleaner head drives bristles into the carpet to remove ground and dirt. The Dyson V7 Animal Cord-Free Vacuum quickly transforms to a handheld for quick cleanups, spot cleaning and cleaning difficult places. It provides up to 30 minutes of powerful fade-free suction. The hygienic dirt ejector empties dust from the bin in a single action. The Dyson V7 Animal's two-tier radial cyclones technology captures microscopic dust. The max power mode provides up to 6 minutes of higher suction for more difficult tasks. Balance for cleaning up high, down below and anywhere in between. The convenient docking station that comes with Dyson cord-free vacuum cleaner stores and charges the machine and holds additional attachments. So it's always ready to go. 2 tools in one, for simple switching between surfaces. Number 6. Hoover Linx BH50010.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them.
My cleaning day? It should be every day.
What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx cordless stick vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Linx cordless stick vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
Number 5. Dyson V6.
This is the Dyson V6, the most powerful vacuum that is both lightweight and cordless. It is ideal for cleaning all floor types, underneath furniture, stairs, and up high. It is engineered to generate powerful cleaning performance throughout your home. The small, light motor has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. And at less than 5 pounds and with no cord, the machine is light and portable. The V6 vacuum easily converts to a handheld and comes equipped with Dyson engineered tools for cleaning in all areas of your home and car. With a quick-release charging station and fade-free power, it's always up for quick cleans and extreme messes. It also can store attachments for easy access when you want them.
Number 4. Hoover Cruise Cordless Lightweight 2-in-1 Stick.
The Hoover Cruise Cordless Ultralight Vacuum makes it easy to tackle life's everyday messes. A removable hand vac and a variety of tools get you to the mess, no matter where it is. So go up, down, and all around with the Hoover Cruise Cordless Vacuum.
Number 3. Dyson V8. Number 2. Hoover Linx BH50020.
Messes just happen. That's why the Hoover Linx Signature Cordless is the go-to vacuum for those everyday messes. Just grab and go to clean on hard floors, or even on carpet whenever you need it. The Linx Signature makes it easier than ever to keep up with the mess, no matter when it happens. Perfect for the days in between the deep cleans. The Hoover Linx Signature Cordless Vacuum.
Number 1. Shark DuoClean Ultra Light.